Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox disconnected from game. Please reconnect. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal is a common culprit. Try restarting your router and modem by unplugging them for about 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. Next, fully close and reopen the Roblox application. Finally, quickly check if Roblox servers are experiencing issues, as this is beyond your control and requires patience. These initial steps often resolve many common disconnection problems quickly. If the quick fixes don't work, let's look at your network settings. Your firewall or antivirus might be blocking Roblox, so try temporarily disabling them to see if that helps. If it does, add Roblox to their exception lists. Flushing your DNS cache can also resolve connection problems by clearing old network data. For persistent regional issues, a virtual private network, or VPN, might offer a more stable connection by routing your traffic differently, potentially bypassing local network congestion. Next, we'll focus on your Roblox client and system. Clearing your Roblox cache and temporary files can eliminate corrupted data causing disconnections. If that fails, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox player often resolves deeper issues, giving you a fresh, clean setup. Also, make sure your graphics drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can cause instability. Finally, ensure your operating system has all the latest updates, as these often include critical network and performance improvements. For more stubborn disconnections, try running Roblox in compatibility mode, especially if you're on an older operating system. Also, identify and close any background applications that might be consuming significant network resources or conflicting with Roblox. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your problem, including error codes, and contact Roblox support directly. They can offer personalized assistance. Additionally, check community forums. Other players might have found solutions to similar, less common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.